And for my first brew with the bird, I went with this coffee from the Coffee Roasters. It's a low calf one from Huila, Colombia. Just a coffee that I've been so stoked to try. I went for 20 grams in, shooting for 300 grams out. Putting down the chamber slowly. And I went for a medium fine grind size on my Pietro. Add the coffee in, water, and I went for about 97C. Agitate the brew by spinning the little thing there. And I let it steep for about 5 minutes. And then slowly twist and turn, and the coffee will slowly drain down. And that's it. All you need to do now is to remove the gasket, put it aside, and enjoy. I have to say, I was really surprised how good this coffee was. It was just so sweet and complex and clean. Just a lovely, comforting cup. And yeah, I was so stoked to try it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.